Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited for today's video because the holidays are here. It's my favorite time of year and it's especially significant because this is Kamari's first Christmas. So in honor of our brand new baby girl, this year's theme is everything pink. Today's video is all about how to decorate your Christmas tree. I'll be showing you how to trim your Christmas tree with conventional items like ornaments, but also with unconventional decor that you found lying around the house. Let's jump right in. I've had this Christmas tree for a few years now. It is an artificial flocked Christmas tree. I know there is this great debate out there, artificial versus real, but for me, I'm all about convenience. When I was growing up, we used to get these massive 10 to 12 foot tall Christmas trees. It used to be a family tradition where all the kids would kind of, jump into the minivan and then we drive out to the Christmas lot and we pick a Christmas tree together. Clearly, everyone's grown up now, and with a new baby in the house, I'm all about convenience. So my tree is artificial. I bought it at Walmart on the after Christmas sale where you can score so many amazing things for 50% off. It was originally $150 and it was slashed in half, so I got it for $75 for a 7.5 foot tall tree. My house isn't that big and that's the tallest that I can get in the house. I actually love it and it really works well with our house. I've used it maybe for the past 4 years. So let's get decorating. You want to make sure that once you get the tree up, you fluff all the branches out so that they're nice and full and they're perfect for putting the ornaments right on top. Now that we have the tree up and all of the branches are fluffed out, I actually like to keep the lights on so you know strategically where you're putting all of your ornaments. So our theme is pink and blush this year, and I'm recycling some of the ornaments that we had in previous years. I'm pulling out all the golds, the silvers, the whites, and I think that pink is just a perfect accent color for us to layer on this year. You'll want to use the really pretty and expensive ornaments first because number one, they're expensive. Number two, you want them to be facing the guest or the living room side or whichever side that you see the most. And since you haven't purchased a lot of these, you want to place them first. Sometimes the ribbons are a little bit too large, so you want to tie them around the tree a few times so that they don't dangle too much. When the ornaments are a little bit too heavy, like this glass one, you want to bend the tree in so that it holds the weight. I then like to layer all of the decorative ones and start filling up the tree. I like to decorate according to color. That way you'll visually see the impact that some of the colors have on the tree, and then you'll know how to fill it in with some of the filler colors. They sell these little hooks at the dollar store, so I love to just stock up on them. But if you can't find those hooks, twisty ties work just as fine. Okay guys, I completely missed this really huge step. I usually layer these fur boas first so that it fills up the tree. But now that I'm halfway through my ornaments, I'm just gonna have to stuff this in and then see if we can work around it. So now that you have all the pretty ornaments up, it's time for the filler ornaments. I call these filler ornaments because they're exactly what you're doing to fill in all of those blank spaces. They're super inexpensive. I love to ransack my local Dollar Tree or 99-cent store, and they're made out of foam, so you really can't break these guys. They're perfect for homes with pets or young kids. When it comes to tree toppers, I want you guys to think outside the box. Anything that's textured could be used to top off a tree. I used to put these really traditional sequin stars on top, and I just thought it really looked like amateur hour. So I've traded in the traditional star for untraditional cotton sticks. I fished all of this pampas grass outside of my stock room, and you guys know that I'm not gonna put these babies to waste. I want you guys to think about decorating for the holidays with everyday items that are unconventional. because not only will they match your existing decor, they just lend a really bohemian vibe to whatever theme that you're doing. Thank you so much for watching our very first holiday video in our new series this year. I'm gonna be banging this out every Christmas. I'm so excited. So now that you know how to decorate a Christmas tree, we've got a bunch of fun videos lined up. In the next video, I'll be showing you how to decorate your living room and home. I'll also be showing you how to set up a holiday table. Please let me know in the comment section below if you guys kind of want to see like a Christmas DIY. I might throw that in there somewhere. Or if it's a little bit more convenient, let me know if you guys want that video on IGTV. Especially follow me on Instagram because I'm always doing behind the scenes on my Insta stories. I'll be linking some of my favorite artificial trees in the description box below. And of course, leave me a comment if there's something that you're looking for that you can't quite find for the holidays. Make sure you subscribe to my channel for more fun holiday content. We'll be doling that out all the way up until Christmas. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one.